Previously on The Bartender.
Someone, where there for 3 days?
What does that have to do with you?
Me I call you not answer my call, I text you and you not reply. You know see your time I run serious?
You want to do as you please, so me I do as me please. You saw when the script flip how it feel?
I'm Sandra Wallace, and we have a son together called Akeem, and we're hopelessly in love. And now, you're going to start acting like it.
Sandra, love you, you know.
Just watch that movie, man. Just ease yourself and know what is coming. Because he's going to get what is coming to him now. Christ that.
So if you kill the king, you become the king. That we are free, you know, you know. No, kill the king. Mad, you know.
Come on, Dennis. This whole thing started really and truly from us having an argument about the same thing. I came clean, I told you everything. You don't think it's only fair that you just come clean with me too? What you hiding?
Okay, but you have to promise me that you will not judge me.
Next week Tuesday, 6 o'clock. 100 strong, we are forward over that.
We go hungry over this, so we are clean the box. In a married glass.
I'm from now, I say. First me I see him still.
So you and I can continue where we left off. With our love life. Till death do us part. How does it feel for the hunter to be hunted?
Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, gonna make an ugly scene. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm gonna pick myself a fight. If some deserving dirtbag a black eye, and if he swings at me, then I'll bust that sucker's knee. 'Cause tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. I'm feeling mean. I'm feeling mean.
Alright. Yep. Yeah, man.
Get out of the way of the hurricane.
And I'm ready to rock.
It's DB, you know I'm locking the block. It's DB, the girls are falling my trap. It's DB, yeah, I'm ready to pop. Girl, what's my name?
Dog bed, dog bed, dog bed. A dog.
You can see on TV that my name is DB. How much dog we got 3? I'm a girl named Goody. She in the run for DB. She locked me out after 3 and say outside. That's where I should be. Yeah, what's my name?
He's the baddest dog I know.
Oh, never ever realized that, man.
Once was a puppy, but now him grow. He's the baddest dog in
Enter.
Shoppy, what go on?
What's going on, Charmaine?
Shoppy. You asked strange from the other day. You alright?
What are you talking about?
As a matter of fact, brother, I know my business still, you know. But what you plan to do the shop?
Just as I've been doing before. Manage it. I pay you to run it. Isn't that obvious?
Shoppy, the place needs stock, you know. At 3 lists me give you all now, you know, pay it no mind, you know, brother.
As of now, please refer to me as Winston. And as for the products for the store, I'll be receiving them soon. Okay?
You said that already, you know. How are you lose interest? You sure you're alright, Shoppy?
Why is everyone asking me the same thing? If I'm okay? I've never been better. I have a wonderful baby's mother and a wonderful son. So I'm blessed.
Son? So the pitney for you?
Charmaine, please do not refer to my son as Pickney. His name is Akeem.
No, man. This is strange. Shoppy, you sure you're alright? You sure that girl didn't do you something?
Charmaine, if you ever refer to the mother of my child as gal again, you will not have a job in this establishment. This is the problem with our people. We don't know how to respect our own. Sandra is a lady, not a gal. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, boss. Like natural spring water.
I'm glad we have an understanding.
Ton fool as a person. Look like a girl them mad man.
Yo, I joke this star. Tell you something, man, the most complicated thing on the earth, you know, star. Good, let me tell you this. You see, if you have a next man, you don't have to come here and look at either excuse for sleep out. You hear that? I remember saying we're not even doing nothing, you know. So you can do what you want to do, and me do what me I do. I don't have time for run back on nobody. You hear that?
man they touch, must turn gold.
I preach still. The sister where I work with Shoppy and over I shop there, I tell me say she have a poem and she want me to turn it in a song. I don't say it have a vibe.
DB, trust me, that is a great idea. Because you see poetry is just words and music together, you know, and melody, you know. So you have to just release everything, just let it all out and don't get choked up.
How are you smelling brown here?
Say about the address. You know what I word from yesterday? You know, eating food, even though the fridge full. Look. We know you're confused and you still a try work it out.
Carlton, are you kill Browning?
Browning kill herself.
She cut her own throat.
She get bright and brave. What me want to know is where all I want to develop this killer instinct from. As so bad they want to get rid of me?
So you go kill me too?
Never answer a question with a question. But you answer your question with a statement. If me plan to kill you, well, you know the rest.
So what you plan to do?
Do it already. Take away your biggest asset.
The house? So Sasika, what it? Are your daughter? The one where you tell me say, her mother take her away from she young and she never get your last name?
One thing with girl Pitney. No matter what the mother try hide them way, them seek out them father.
So you take from my house and give your daughter?
Same way how your friend then try take away my life and get the dirt.
So you go all out for revenge?
What you would have done, Simone? If somebody try to take your life, what you would have do? Actions have consequences. Your friend 5, well, she glimpsed me. Because I done she the same night, but we decided to mash up your relationship. And your bestie, Bubbles. She now see daylight again. She get charged for murder.
Bubbles there at jail. Bubbles.
Now you lose a house and you are an emotional wreck. Well, what is kindness in comparison to what I could do to you?
We never planned for her in a Carlton.
Just scare me off, don't it? Interesting. Browning said the same thing. Now, our blood upon phone hand.
Our hand? Our blood for the pan our hand?
Because the guitar in way over our head. So, we're married for 10 years. And you know me long before that. Me strike as somebody they can scare off?
No.
So that means when they plan to kill me.
Carlton.
That sounds like we used to call me name when we were married. Pity. No. Let's not get sidetracked. All who involved are gonna suffer. Browning was unfortunate. No deserve for dead. Except one.
Damien?
Oh, Damien. A puppy tail me call him. He not reached dog stage yet. We have some special plan for him.
5. Good your own, big man. And say if she don't want to answer her phone, me can't make she answer her phone. I'm tired of the run back thing, you hear me? Yo, I'm gonna go upstairs now. Yo, chill out.
I go and jam a little bit still. Is that cool, you know?
Oh, no, you're not gonna jam. We're jamming. I wanna jam in with you.
Carlton, please don't hurt him.
Please don't hurt him. Him put 2 shots in me. Me can't promise you that. Sasik, you remember my telephone, right? Good.
Kyle, what you doing?
I come to check DB. That's what?
You're right. I'm supposed to believe that?
Seriously. I come check DB because I haven't seen him in a long time and I want to talk to him about a project.
Kyle, for the months them we been together, and one time I remember you come check DB. I know when you did meet me.
Like I said, I have a project I'm working on and I want him to help me with it. That's all.
Well, I'm gone upstairs now. And when we come next to them, never you will not talk about the project. Sour.
Well, we will talk about it from before you come, man.
You come to see if I don't hear me and stay, not sure.
Dennis, listen. If based on what you told me and the guy who you see is still real, you could be in some serious danger.
Man, I think I am.
Why you don't think so?
Because mother woke up in him again. If he's alive, I believe some mother woke up in him. And then again, he would come after us.
So what if he's planning to? What if him don't heal properly yet?
Kyle, if it's this year he's gonna come back up at the house, it not gonna work. We just need some time to figure this out.
That is not the case. This situation could blow up on you guys. If he's actually dead, you are an accessory to murder and that means prison time.
Hey, I understand the situation, you know. I don't need you to repeat it back to me.
I'm sorry. Okay, babe? I'm really sorry. It's just that I care about you. That is all. And I mean, regardless of whatever happened between us, I want you to know that. Alright?
Sorry if my sound so edgy. We just need time to figure out all of this. Give me a minute. Let's see if we can get back to it. Bubbles, come when you get that message here, please. I don't like how this feel.
I heard you requested to see me.
It's a hard pill to swallow when you dedicate your life to your job, you know.
and find yourself on the wrong side of the law.
It's even harder still when you take an oath and swear to uphold the law.
Yeah. Carlton Wallace put my family and friends through the fire. Intentionally get into a relationship with me, knowing he was married to my best friend. Kidnap one of my little sister. Kidnap my nephew. Time ex-wife to a land scamming business and strong arm enough land developers and take them contract. But the straw that broke the camel back for me is when he was suspected in the killing of Goody's friend. Me decides him have to go down.
So, I'm getting a confession. Smart move. But you do know I'm going to have to record this, right?
You sure you want to do that?
It is procedure.
Procedure? Okay, Stephen. Do what you must.
Okay. Let's hear it.
Give them something to talk about.
This is the Angel, and I will be at the Bartender property party July 10th. And so the event is July 9th and 10th. So save the date, don't be late. It's a pajama party. And so at the Gulf View Hotel, it's now normal, it's a lit sexiness overload. Touch me in the worst way, Monday to Thursday. Make my body cool on a Friday. Let me want it back on a Saturday, twice on a Sunday. The Bartender party, I will be. And so, July 9th to 10th, the 10th, me come shelter right down to the ground. It's a pajama party, baby. I'm coming out sexy.
You cut off. But you never cut off so much before. I can't sit down on that chair and feel comfortable again. I'm not gonna get no little cushy head. No, me not. Me call you back here. Wait a minute. It was supposed to be a flawless plan. Gave the girls their instructions. And the one he least expected, we used as bait. But as always, this man is one step ahead away. And because he knew that I was the mastermind behind the plan, he put a shot in my chest.
And that's when you got 2 shots off that eventually put him down. Is that it?
If I never have my vest, I would have dead.
Well, I'm really happy that didn't happen. But, Bubbles, why didn't you come to me? Or come to us? Let us help you take him down.
You know, Sir Carlton have bad man, judges, and police on payroll.
So you say that to say what?
I couldn't trust nobody.
Nobody. Not even me. I brought you in. I made you the agent that you are. You could have come to me. You could have trusted me. No one else. You can trust me.
Can I?
Where are we going with this?
Carlton was shot twice with my gun.
Who pulled the trigger?
We didn't intend on killing him. Just scare him off. We roll him down a hill in an isolated place. Seeing that it was the first time I was being shot, I forgot to do the most important thing.
What's that?
Check his vitals.
Bubbles.
So a couple of weeks ago, came home and I found Carlton's bloody shirt in my house. Now I was sure somebody was playing a trick on me, but I heard movement in the back of my yard. Looked, never see anybody. Found a shoe print. So before I got arrested, I asked one of my link them for make a check for me. Wayne, I'm gonna send you something. I want you to tell me what brand shoes it is. Nike Free size 11. Them they're the only shoes Carlton wear. What are the odds of somebody being in my backyard in the same sneakers, same brand, same size?
Well, that is one hell of a story, Agent Percent.
Your pupils dilated, Stephen. And there's a slight tremble in your voice. And you're sweating. I asked you before. Let me ask you again. Are you sure you want to record this session?
Continue. You're not clean.
Chanel, what you trying to tell me?
You can't call me a perfect kid, right?
Killy?
Killy.
Você não é não. Mama need to know.
boss, a young lad.
I'm gonna deal with a different contract, you see? Just make sure you do what me tell you to do. Just follow my instruction and we're good. You see me?
No problem.
You see us from today. King is no more. Alright, ready. Movement.
Oh, go on, shot, boss. Original code is life.
Sheldon! Sean! What's up?
Shot, boss, what that? Brother.
What's wrong?
Brother, I know the code that never go government, but
Not for a second.
brother, me not even member my own government name.
We should be proud of our government names.
Shappy, you can't deal with things so fam. I know our lifestyle that you can't just there so utter with government name in the streets like this.
So what brings you guys here?
You know a long time you're flying back. And you never fly up back in, brother. What? Let go that now, no man. Brother, what go on?
Guys.
Why? What kind of guys you talk about, brother? Brother, I'm not telling you now the twanging thing, fam.
You guys are so funny.
Why? Yo, brother. I left your place.
Yeah, man.
I
Ready
left your place, brother.
Really,
Yo,
I go on shopping.
Can it come like a serious with a something here, brother? What go on? Make you know
Really,
what
I go on.
Well, to be frank with you guys, I've been doing a whole lot of thinking. And me and Sandra, we had a heart-to-heart and we agreed. I'm gonna just do more reading and just pay more attention to cleansing myself.
Brother, like you didn't in your house too long, you know, fam. I really are going shop, boss. Fam, that's why we forward you say, you know, brother. Because here, King, the bar done fix, you know, because from we go and boom, bang, bang, him set up the bar. And him have a bar opening in night time, you know. I want your roll.
When you guys say rolling, do you actually mean rolling? Because that sounds like it would hurt.
Brother. Here I go on. And the party one you forward with. You see me? So we're going to a party. Like right now. Now the car, drive to the party.
But guys.
Why? Brother, just remember, look more. 6 o'clock. You shopping?
I'm just
Dada, forward.
Yeah,
man.
6 o'clock. Thinking,
6 o'clock.
Would Sandra actually
6
like
o'clock.
that?
Yo, pink boss. Something wrong with shop boss, you know, brother.
Hey guys.
6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, brother. We are coming in.
I think I've been in the house for
6
too long.
o'clock.
Okay, guys, 6 o'clock.
Stephen.
Carlton, why are you calling me?
Look, man, it's over a week now me wait on the papers, you know.
Yeah, well, this is not an overnight process, my friend.
What you mean? Are you come to me with this change of identity business? I tell me say you ever sort it out. Birth paper, license, new identity completely. Me a wait and all now, I can't hear nothing from you, Bridget.
Look, be patient. I'll tell you when it's done. In the meantime, lay low. I'm having some difficulties with the final
Me don't
paperwork.
want to hear that, Stephen. That's not my problem. That sounds like your problem to me, not mine.
Listen, remember I'm doing this to help you out, okay? So just be patient.
Stephen, this sound like a go here try around me now. I need to remember, say, your other family needs company. I'm know if I have to find them.
Go anywhere near my family again, and you disappear for good. Got it?
Yeah, King, man, is a good look.
For real, man, for real. We just there, just a full joy, you know, the energy and see the progress we make.
It's a pity we have to discontinue the other little project. The next thing you know, we'd have a plaza out here.
Yeah, but you don't see what go on. So we have to really cut that and focus on over our girl. You focus on your thing, right? Yourself.
My hustling is what build my business. I hustle so I can build. Yeah.
Hey guys, why didn't you guys bring me here before? This is so exciting. Oh my god. I won! Oh my god!
Man, let the man full drive himself, man. Full drive yourself, shopping. But anyhow, don't worry about it. Because of the people, I think
Somebody needs to help me to get the money out of this box. Get the money out of the box or
shut bow. Yeah, the one and only. Now just there I want if you're not forward enough.
Yeah, I guess they're king.
Yeah, man. Don't make a pretty smile. Yeah, man, that's what I said. Don't make a pretty smile for you, you know. It's a real G, slim man. Yeah, man, never told to so.
You something for drink, man?
But of course, man, that's what I talk about. You guess them welcome, man.
One more, you're the man, you take too long.
Assistance, please. Yeah, pull it up, man. Don't worry about that.
A shot boss that man, our link man, just full up your cup man. Yo, Tubbs, grab a cup now man. Grab a cup now, Tubbs. Good man.
Not no for drink, but they're on the clock down that.
Alright, my G. Pull up that man.
yeah, man. Okay, this is getting annoying. I need somebody to help me get this money out of this box.
Boss, I make the move now, you know.
Alright.
I would have man born in the store while I'm.
I would. That's a nine boy that.
You say look like him.
Hey boy, come here.
King!
Oh my god. These guys didn't tell me they brought me on a movie set. This is so exciting! Oh my god, that sounds real! What the hell?
Oh, them dead dog.
In the studio.